So today we're going to use factor rainbows to find the factors for two numbers, and then we will figure out what common factors those two numbers both have. We're going to start by making a factor rainbow for 12. Okay. I know that I can do 1 times 12 to equal 12. I can do 2 times 6 to equal 12. I can do 3 times 4 to equal 12. I know that I'm done making my rainbow because when I start with my left, my counting numbers are 1, 2, 3. My next number on my left would be 4, but it's already there on the right. So that's when I know I'm done. And that means all of my factors for 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now I'm going to make a factor rainbow for 20. I know that I can multiply 1 and 20. (20) is an even number, so I know that I can multiply 2 times 10. I know that let's see, 3, there's nothing I can multiply by 3, so let's mark it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that I can multiply 4 times 5 to equal 20. And I also know that I'm finished making my factor rainbow because when I use my counting numbers on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, the next one should be 5, and I've already got that written down. So now I know that my factors, all of the factors for 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now, I have listed all of the factors for both 12 and 20. Now I can see which factors they both have in common. I see they both have a 1 and a 2. They're both even numbers, so they both have factors of 2. They don't both have a 3, but they both have a 4. 12 has a 6, but 20 does not. We can say 12 for 12, but no. And then on 20, we don't have a 5 over here, we don't have a 10 over here, and we don't have a 20 over here. So the common factors for 12 and 20 are 1, 2, and 4. With this information, you can actually move on to some 5th grade level work and tell me what the greatest common factor is. If I've got all of the common factors, I know that the greatest common factor that they have is 4. This is the factor that they both have in common that is the greatest. So you just learned a little bit of 5th grade knowledge.